What if a mouth-watering barbecue brisket slider could be ready on a plate in under 10 minutes for any home cook? A fast pan sear locks in juiciness while a quick glaze of smoky sauce finishes each tender bite. Layers of soft slider buns rise with brisket, pickles, and a crisp onion crunch for craveable texture. Would such a recipe delight a weeknight crowd or shine at a weekend barbecue when friends drop by? Subscribe for more speedy American classics, share thoughts in the comments, and pass this burger shortcut to fellow food lovers.